Good evening, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today, I'm bringing you another beautiful unboxing from Biggestcraft. That is www.biggestcraft.com. Now, as all of you know, Biggestcraft specialize in cross stitch. They do everything cross stitch and cross stitch related. They sell all the tools and accessories you can dream of, and they've got all cross stitch craft. They even sell the newest beaded cross stitches that we all love so much. Now, their customer service is excellent. They've got a well laid out website, and their shipping is very, very fast. Just remember, if you order from the section that said new style, it can take a bit longer. Because why? Because some of those products are not in production. They put it in production as soon as you order. Now, as I said, free shipping for over $49. And then if you want to save a little bit more, you use my discount code, which is Rella2 for extra $2 off. Now, this is the week. It is Black Friday, and Biggestcraft is running a humongous Black Friday sale. They've got, if you look on your screen, over $1, you only have to spend $1, then you get an automatic discount of 20% off. Over $59, get 22% off. Over $99, you get 24% off. And if that's not enough, there's even more. If you order over $29, you get one free gift. So that's amazing, amazing savings. This is the time of year where we buy presents, and on savings like this, you can get so much more for your money. Now, with all that talking, let's see what we've got here today. I'm super excited about this. So you're looking at it, and of course, it is the ocean. Let me just see here. They're bumping my stuff off. Come, Lils, come. My co-host is here, and she is a busy little thing at the moment. There we go. Alright, so let's have a look. I've got high expectations because I really love this. It's all seashells. Okay, so let's go. 5 needles, needle threader, and a thimble, and it's in the little test tube, the ones I like. Look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. There we go. Now the pattern is on my favorite shiny film for durability. Here comes the... Nice. That is nice. Okay. So we got 50 colors. I am delighted because this is something that I really, really like. 11 count. Look at the beautiful picture. The instructions is printed on the pattern. It looks a bit busy here and there, but not too much. So excellent. So far, so good. But you guys know when I'm busy with these, I just want to pack them away. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. I was a bit sick, but I'm back. But it happens, you know, with some people more than others, but yes. Alright, let's have a look at the canvas, and it's the bright white canvas, and of course it is serged all the way around for our convenience. Now, it is not very wide, it's very thin, like thin, no. And then it's tall, look at that. There you go. This is going to look so pretty. They've got other ones like this as well. I'll probably collect until I have 3, because if I hang one alone, I would like to hang 3 next to each other, and they're all different. So this one's got the most shells. There's another one with the beach and shells. But I'll leave the link to the products I show you in my description box, and all the details that I gave you before this as well. So yeah, 11 count, and here's the size. The size is 29 centimeters by 89 centimeters, 103 stitches by 363. Now let me show you. Yeah, you know what? Printing is excellent. I told you there's 50 colors. It's not that bad. So when you do this confetti or the Ninja stitches, you can easily travel because they are so close to each other. I really look here. Printing is perfect. You cannot misjudge that. Really pretty. Nothing wrong with that, right? There you go. Alright, so I'm very happy. I'm very happy that it's got 50 colors. That is super amazing. It makes me excited to see the next one. It's quite an interesting one. When I saw it, I was just like, ooh, we need to see this. We need to see this. Excuse me. Alright, look at this. So we've got 50 colors on floss drops and they came loose. So just give me a second to fix this before I make a big boo-boo. The rubber band. There we go. Okay. And there we are. So let's have a look at this beautiful colors. It is amazing. Look at, ooh, look at that. Now let me show you from this side. Look at all that beautiful colors. I think it's going to look very pretty. I'm very happy with the 50 colors. Really. See, you can see all the different colors better from this side. There's like lots of them. But in any way, I'm super happy with this one. Amazing. Alright, so while I pack away, I want to ask if it's the first time you watch my videos, please hit that subscribe button if you want to. It is for free, and by doing that, you motivate me to make more videos for you. And while you're at it, press the like button if you like the video and leave me a comment in the comment box. I will personally get back to you. Okay, so you've been looking at that. Is that not just interesting? You guys know my love for fairies or fae, or different people call them different things. Now this is a fairy, like a bigger fairy, looking at a smaller one in water. So it's very interesting, and that's why I chose this. It's pretty, first of all, and then the water reflects them. So let's have a look. Okay, 5 needles, needle threader, and a thimble, and there you go. It's in that little thing, thingamajig. There you are. Oh, the colors look so soft. So let's have a look. Okay, so it is on my favorite shiny film for durability. Not bad at all. Okay, so we've got 45 colors in this one. There's lots of detail here. I can see it. It's a beautiful picture. 11 count 50 by 50 centimeters. Instructions printed on your pattern. 190 stitches by 190 stitches. I'm happy. Oh, this is just so interesting. You see, it's like she's telling her a secret. The small one in the water is telling the big one a secret. And then the water reflects her face and the backside of the little baby fairy in the water. I think it's awesome. Really well done this. I hope it comes out nice because I absolutely adore this picture. Yay! You guys, Pepsi is being naughty. Oh, alright, so let's do this. And let's have a look at the Ada. Alright, bright white Ada. I like this Ada. It's nice. Then it is serged all the way around for our convenience. The printing is very well done. 11 count 50 by 50 centimeters. And 45 colors. 190 stitches by 190 stitches. Now it's really, you can also travel. It's not one stitch here and the other one like over the sea. It is close, so you can travel with your thread if you stitch like me. So I don't see this as difficult at all. I actually see this as very pretty. Look at that. Beautiful printing. Absolutely magnificent. Now, let's have a look at the pretties. I love floss. Okay. Look at these colors. It's soft. So we said there's 45, right? Oh no, this is gonna be, oh, there's my purple. La! When I see my purple, it makes me want to sing, and that's the last talent I have. I can't sing at all. I'm a very bad singer. I can do plenty of things, but singing is definitely not one of them. Look at how beautiful. And there's light pinks. It's just closing. Dark pinks, light pinks. But you get the gist of it, right? Very, very nice. I'm extremely happy with this. So while I pack away, I want to thank Biggestcraft. This is fabulous. Very, very pretty. Thank you so, so much. Then, to you, my viewer, don't forget about the Black Friday sale. If you buy for $1, you get 20% off. Over $59, 22% off. Over $99, you get 24% off. And on top of that, over $29, you can get a free gift and you can use my $2 discount code. If you're a first-time buyer at Biggestcraft, you can also use the $5 coupon that's in the description box. Now, thank you guys for always watching and supporting me. It really means the world to me. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.